Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mention in an Instagram story after it's posted. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can add mentions in an Instagram story even after it's posted, and it's pretty simple. You can't edit a story after it's posted, meaning if you want to add text, music, or images after the fact, you'll need to delete the post and repost it to your liking. But if all you need to do is add a mention after you've posted your Instagram story, and if you don't mind that their username won't appear in the story, give it a go. Okay, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then I've made a story before. I'll show you. Now, I want to add mention to this story. You can open your story like this and then tap on the three dot on the bottom right, over here. You can see there's an option add mentions. You can tap on that. Now you can search name or your friend that you want to add to this story. I will choose this account, my other account. You can add more than one account. Now you can activate the toggle, or you want to unactivate the toggle to let people that you mention add this to their story and reshare it with their audience. I will let them mention this, can reshare this story, my story. Now you can tap on add. Now I will show you my other account to see if let's see. Now you can see the mention is already on this story, and I can repost it like this. So that is how to add mention in an Instagram story you've posted. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!